Oh, hey, little guy, what are you doing down there?
Hey man, just kind of looking around for like coaches or consultants to help me scale my business, you know?
Oh, okay. Where are you at in your business?
You know, I don't really know like how to scale. I do like organic marketing and stuff, and like a bunch of people say you can make a lot of money with that, but kind of stuck at like 20K a month, you know? Just not really sure what to do next.
Scoot over for a second. I'll tell you. Listen, I've built and scaled multiple seven-figure businesses, so it looks like you're sitting on the right shoulder, little guy.
You really think you can help me, bro?
Well, you ever heard of the term sitting on the shoulders of giants?
Yeah.
See, most people just teach you how to run a business with one thing, and it takes a lot to run a business. We teach you to process the systems, everything you need to actually scale.
Thanks, man. I just got my first ClickFunnels class.